It's a little windy. Hope you can hear me okay. Another problem I'm trying to solve is I needed to be able to water my stuff while I'm not here, because I'm not here all the time, and have the ability to do it remotely. So my solution to it is a 2-zone Wi-Fi timer. It's basically a host timer, and it's got 2 zones, and you can turn each and every zone off. But there was an added bonus to it, which makes me really happy, and I found a use for it. So it comes with a Wi-Fi hub, and that Wi-Fi hub has a 110 volt plug in it that you can turn on and off remotely from anywhere. You can set it up on a timer if you like, same as the hoses, whatever you want to do with it. But another thing I would like to be able to do is at nighttime I'd like to be able to light things up here so I can get a better view of what's going on with the cameras. So anyway, this is a solution. It's made by Rainpoint. It's a 2-zone water timer with a Wi-Fi hub socket. So pretty awesome piece of equipment. I'll show it in action here in a minute. So here's the Wi-Fi hub. I'm not sure if you can see me, but this is the Wi-Fi hub, and it has a socket in it, and I have the socket connected to some lights. I'll show them to you in a minute. You can turn them on and off by pushing this button right here, or you can do it remotely with the app, or you can set it up on a timer. So here's the hose timer. Has 2 zones. Right now I've just got a hose hooked to it, and I have to push the button when I want to turn that on. But this is connected to a sprinkler that's watering 2 oak trees I planted earlier. Again, this can all be controlled remotely, or you can just simply turn it on by pushing the buttons. Lights, they're 10,000 lumens each, 90 watts each, and they're kind of a flood, so they're going to light the whole entire area up. Going to be awesome. This is my Ring camera, so at nighttime it sees at night, but generally only something is about 30 foot away, so this will help light things up a little further away than that. So here's the app, and just push the button to turn it on, and as you can see, they turned on. Push the button, turn it off, you can see they're off. And here's my sprinkler, and with a push of a button on the app, I'm sprinkling. This thing can also be run off a timer, as I said before. That's how it'll most likely work, but I have the ability to do it manually, and you know, in the event they have to do it. I guess it's kind of smart too. It has a rain delay, and I guess if the weather forecast is good for your area as far as precipitation goes, it will basically, you can have a programmable hold time for if it rains, don't bother turning the sprinkler on to save water. And in my case, if it's raining, it usually means I don't have sun charging my solar panels, so I probably don't want to run the well either. So that might end up being a pretty handy feature. I'll let you know how that works later. Here's a view with the Ring camera with the lights off. And now the lights are on. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get notifications of all the new videos.